Just a manifestation, if I may, Mr.
Senator
President.
Estrada,
Mr. President, I
Estrada
think
is
we have
recognized.
to ask the OSA to be strict in implementing the rules with regard to the visitation
Well, I
hours
was still
of a
the chairman of the Blue Ribbon Committee. Parang nawalan po ng saysay. Ang tanong po ngayon, kailangan po bang pagpasyahan ang bagong liderato ng Blue Ribbon ang isang bagay na amin na pong naaproba nung kami po ay nandun?
If I may, but just to put on record that it's with the understanding that the Senate retains its jurisdiction over that.
Hi bossing, another video, another issue. Na naman tayo mga boss, eto na ang mga dapat malaman ng bayan Senator Marcoleta, Villanueva at Estrada. Meron mga conditions sa pagpadetain kay Bryce Hernandez at meron sagot sina SP Soto at iba pa senador. Bago natin umpisahan ang video, huwag mo kalimutan mag-like, share at subscribe. Bossing, push mo na rin notification bell. Salamat bossing.
Mr. President, Majority Leader, I move that we commit Bryce Erickson Hernandez to the Pasay City Jail, Mr. President.
I second the motion of the good
Any objection?
gentleman.
Chair hears none. And the chairman of the Blue Ribbon concurs. Hearing no objection, the Bryce Hernandez is hereby
Mr. President, if I may, but just to put on record that it's with the understanding that the Senate retains its jurisdiction over that person, Mr. President. Just
Of
to put
course.
that on record, Mr. President.
Of
Thank
course, it has never been the opposite. He was always under our legal custody. So the motion is to transfer that particular person to the Pasay City Jail. Any objection? Chair hears none. Motion is approved. The Sergeant at Arms is hereby directed to transfer Bryce Hernandez to the Pasay City Jail as soon as possible.
Just a manifestation, if I may, Mr.
Senator
President.
Estrada,
Mr. President, I
Estrada
think
is
we have
recognized.
to ask the OSA to be strict in implementing the rules with regard to the visitation hours of a prisoner, Mr. President. No visitors allowed, only
Lawyers.
immediate members of the family, lawyers, priests, etc., etc. Thank you, Mr. President.
Yes, the Sergeant at Arms is hereby directed and make a list of those who will visit him.
Yes, we'd like to
Thank you.
recognize Senator Marcoleta, Mr. President.
Senator Marcoleta is recognized.
Mr. President, meron po pong isang isyong naiwan dahil noong September 8 po, while I was still the chairman of the Blue Ribbon, napagkaisahan po ng komite dahil sa noong September 1, kung maalala po natin, as chairman, I floated the idea na para makatulong po kung merong gustong lumabas na doon sa 15 na kasama sa pagdinig, makakatulong po sila ma-identify po lahat ng mga kasabwat sa anomalyang paglalatag ng mga proyektong pang flood control. Pinload po natin yung idea na kung gusto ninyo, ay kinakausap na po namin ng DOJ, you may be provided by provisional immunity. Of course, pag-aaralan natin kung qualified kayo. Sa nakikita naman namin, basta hindi kayo most guilty at napakarami pong ibang mga requisites doon, tinignan po natin mabuti. After 1 week, Mr. President, dalawa pong mag-asawa, yung Diskaya, ang naggawa po ng sworn statement. Pero bago po niya nila gawin yon, ay siniguro ko po na talagang sila ay voluntary na gagawa ng sworn statement. Kaya yung pong kanilang emissary, sinabi ko, kailangan sumulat muna sila na talagang gusto nilang magsalita at walang halong pagsisinungaling ito. Yun ang option na gusto nila at narinig nila yung aming pinupload na option na sila'y lumabas bilang isang witness, a state witness. Yun nga po ang nangyari, Mr. President, hanggang sa sila nga ay tumestigo sa komite, dala-dala at binasa nila yung kanilang sworn statement. Nang dahil po doon, Mr. President, ay gumawa kami ng sulat sa ating kalihim ng Department of Justice. At yun nga po ay September 8, 2025. Gusto ko po malaman, Mr. President, ano po yung status noon sapagkat kayo na po ang pumalit na Senate President by that time.
Yes, the proposal and your intention is indeed, yes, it's laudable. We may be able to get state witnesses there, no? But that September 8, evening of September 8, when I was informed about it, what I did was to decide that the issue be referred to the Blue Ribbon Committee, especially knowing that there will be a new composition the following day. That was quite late at night when I received the notice.
Mr. President, if that happens, parang ang amin pong pinag-usapan noon while I was still the chairman of the Blue Ribbon Committee, parang nawalan po ng saysay. Ang mangyayari po noon, with all due respect, baka po ma-compromise o mawala po yung integrity ng proceedings natin. The integrity of the inquiry is very, very important here. Sila po ay pinangakuan namin sapagkat nagpapasaklolo sila, alam nila na may panganib ang buhay, hindi lamang sa kanilang mag-asawa kung hindi yung pamilya nila. Kaya nakita po namin ang urgency. Mr. President, September 10 na po ngayon. Kung sakali pong totoo na nanganganib ang buhay nila, yun pong ipinangako namin na immunity sa kanila na makakatulong po. At yun naman po ang naging courage sa kanila para lumabas into the open and tell all. Nakita naman po ninyo, talagang initially nakapagsalita sila nung inaakala nilang kasangkot po, allegedly, sa mga maanumalyang paglalatag ng flood control projects. Kaya po, ang tanong ko ngayon, kailangan po bang pagpasyahan ng bagong liderato ng Blue Ribbon ang isang bagay na amin na pong naaproba nung kami po ay nandun pa sa Blue Ribbon?
Mr. President?
Majority Leader.
Yes, Mr. President. May I ask for a minute suspension so that both leaders, the former leader of the Blue Ribbon and the newly elected leader of the Blue Ribbon Committee can discuss for just a few minutes this operational matter amongst themselves. May I ask for a minute suspension?
Session is suspended.
First, other matters. Mr. President,
Yes, you may proceed.
yes, thank you, Mr. President. I move that we consider proposed Senate Resolution number, wait, may I ask for a minute suspension, Mr. President? Do you want it referred, your speech to the Blue Ribbon Committee? Mr. President, I believe that the gentleman from San Juan would like his speech referred, and I move to do so to the Blue Ribbon Committee, Mr. President.
Any objection? Chair hears none. The privilege speech of the gentleman is referred to the committee, to the Blue Ribbon Committee.
Thank you, Mr. President. So I move to consider, Mr. President, with the permission of the body, proposed Senate Resolution number 90, taking consideration proposed Senate Resolution number 100, 109, 118, and 121. This is the resolution commending the awardees of the Metrobank Foundation, outstanding Filipinos. So move, Mr. President.
Any objection? Chair hears none. Consideration of proposed Senate Resolution number 90, taking into consideration proposed Senate Resolutions 100, 109, 118, and 121 is now in order.
Mr. President, first to give his...
May we
Hi
ask the
MGA
Secretary?
Boss, huwag niyo kalimutan mag-like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated mga boss sa mga balita sa ating bansa. Kaya ano pa, back to the news, mga bossing.